Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to each one of you to the valedictory session of the second National Moot Court Competition 2026. So, welcome to our distinguished guests and university authorities. I take immense pleasure in extending a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, our honorable guests, Honorable Mr. Justice Harinder Singh Sidhu, former Judge Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable Ms. Justice Sabina, former Acting Chief Justice, Himachal Pradesh High Court, former Judge of Rajasthan and Punjab and Haryana High Court. Your presence is a beacon of inspiration for all of the young legal minds. We are deeply honored to have you both with us. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation, ma'am and sir. Sir, learned advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, former Deputy Advocate General, Punjab and Haryana, and member of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, your experience and guidance are invaluable. Our respected worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Singh, whose vision made this competition possible. Our Head and Dean, Professor Dr. Amita Kaushal, ma'am, we all welcome you for gracing this valedictory session. Thank you, everyone. And I also welcome all the faculty members, staff, participating team from various universities and colleges and our dear students. So this second National Moot Court Competition witnessed tremendous enthusiasm and legal acumen. A total of 16 teams from across the country has participated in this competition. From them, 8 teams qualified for the quarterfinals, 4 teams advanced to the semifinals. And today, the grand finale was contested between the two outstanding teams, USOL 10 and USOL 12 teams. This final was adjudged by our distinguished panel, Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, Advocate Gurtej Singh. Thank you, sir, for judging our teams today. I congratulate every team that participated. Your dedication, research, and advocacy skills have raised the bar of this competition. So as the Gurbani says that, Padya Murkh Akhiye Jis Lab Lob Ahankara, Sach Naam Te Aave Sada Sach Salahe. So it means that one who is educated but still filled with greed, ego, is called a fool. But one who contemplates the true name and always praises truth, that is the true wisdom. So dear participants, let this Gurbani quote remind you that the degrees and victories are meaningless without truth, humility and service. Carry this wisdom with you always. So to all the young advocates of tomorrow, winning and losing are merely the parts of life. So one team has to win and one has to leave. It is the truth of life. So in a courtroom, in one career and in one life, you will face both. What truly matters is not the trophy you lift today, but the knowledge you have gained, the research skills, the art of argument, the ethics of law, and the friendships you have built here. To those who reached the finals, be humble. To those who could not, hold your head high. Every single one of you has grown through this experience. Learning is what endures. We hope that you have gained immensely from this competition. The real victory is the advocate you have become in future. So all the very best for the results to the teams. And before we start further, I want our head and dean to please introduce the judges in detail to all of you. Over to you, ma'am, please.
Justice Sabina, former Acting Chief Justice, Himachal Pradesh High Court, learned Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, former Deputy Advocate General Punjab and Haryana and member of Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Advocate Harvinder Singh Maan, Advocate Gurtej Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Pritpal Singh, and my dear faculty, colleagues, staff, the participating teams, and the students. Very good afternoon to you all. I am deeply honored that despite your busy schedule, our distinguished guests have graced the valedictory session with their presence. Your encouragement means the world to our young legal aspirants. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. Now I shall briefly introduce our honorable guests. Introducing Justice Harinder Singh Sidhu ji. Justice Sidhu is a former judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court who served from his initial appointment as an additional judge in December 2013 until his retirement. He had a distinguished career as a legal officer for the state of Punjab before his elevation to the bench. He began his legal journey as an advocate, then served as Assistant Advocate General, Deputy Advocate General, Additional Advocate General for Punjab. He was appointed as an additional judge in 2000. Judge in December 2014, and during his tenure, he delivered several notable judgments, including a key ruling on default bail by the UAPA. Since his retirement, he has remained active, recently being appointed as sole arbitrator by the High Court in a major commercial dispute involving IPL franchisee Punjab Kings. And now, Ms. Justice Sabina, it is being privileged to introduce you, being a distinguished judge who has served in Indian judiciary with great integrity and dedication. She began her career as a joint secretary of the Bar Association of Punjab and Haryana, later rising to become an additional district judge and session judge. She served as a judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, the Rajasthan High Court, and later the Himachal Pradesh High Court, where she had held the position of acting Chief Justice on 2 occasions. Her remarkable journey reflects unwavering commitment to justice. Introducing Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, a respected advocate practicing primarily before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani's illustrious career includes serving as a law officer for the state of Punjab in the rank of Assistant Advocate General, and he is widely recognized as a former Deputy Advocate General of Punjab. In addition to his government practice, he is an active member of the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana and the Union Territory of Chandigarh, where he has served on key committees including the Special Disciplinary Committee and the Privilege Committee. With these introductions, now I take the opportunity to sincerely appreciating our convener, Dr. Navneet Kaur, for his relentless efforts, meticulous planning, and a passionate leadership in making second national Moot Court competition a great success. Her dedication has been the backbone for this extent. And
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such warm introductions of to our Honorable Ms. Justice Sabina to share their views with the students.
All of you. So are you all third year students or mixed? It's a mixed, okay. So some have just joined and some are about to finish their studies, okay. So first of all, I would like to thank the university for me anyway to visit, but that was like, I was here up to 2007, so a lot of time has passed by. So now things might have changed a little, and I believe this university has come in later, and it wasn't there. And while coming, I saw that it's a huge complex, So all the students who are studying in this university, you should consider yourself as lucky people to be, studying in such a good premises. Now, in our times, we never had these moot competitions. I think you argue it accordingly. But anyway, it is a bridge which key again that you have these pressure in why it is important for you. It is important for you to maintain the decorum in the court, to respect your opponent also, and how you address the bench. Like, supposing you've come prepared with a case in your own particular way. You think that these are the 10 points, and here I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the judge takes you by surprise. He says, no, come to point number 8 first. So then again you have to just rearrange everything in your mind and talk about your point number 8. Another quality which as a lawyer you must develop is, in the court, you don't have to go the way you want to go. You have to go the way the judge wants you to go. Okay? Supposing you are arguing a point, then you start with a point which you think might click with the judge, and sometimes it does. And then maybe you can come back to your point which you thought was the best point. So that is part of advocacy. And when to speak, when not to speak. Most important is you have to learn when not to speak. Like, it's important to show that you have read the case, but then over enthusiasm also sometimes can spoil the thing for you. I think Mr. Multani will agree with me there. So sometimes that is the, because game is on the table. Sometimes you come prepared with the case in a particular way, but then when you are in the court, it comes out to be something different. And so this is one aspect I feel which is important. And another thing is that this profession is not like any other profession. Here, your whole aim is that the person who's come to you seeking justice, so he has to be helped that he gets justice. How will you do that? You will prepare your case well, you will argue your case well, with integrity, maintain your integrity. That is most important for a lawyer. And then you make sure that you present your case well before the judge to the best of your ability. And in a way you ensure that the person who's come to you get justice. Because what is judiciary all about? Judiciary is about justice. So for lawyers or judges, you are one team only. Judge and the lawyer, they are all, they are together, they work together so that the person to whom some injustice has been done gets justice. And for that you have to work hard. There is a path you have to walk on with courage, with integrity, with purpose, with dedication. That is what I say to all the young lawyers. If you become judges, then that is a separate thing. And for that, whoever qualifies, then we have those judicial academy, then they will teach you what to do. How to be good judges, that is their part. But here, I wish you all best for your career as lawyers. Hope you all become good lawyers. I congratulate the winners of the Moot competition. And losers, you're not losers. I think you are going back home, you've learned something. So there is always better luck next time. It's not like everybody can't win. So one first position, second position, third position, whoever gets. But anyway, I think everybody who comes here, who's come here, will be going back home after learning something. Law is such a profession, every day you go home, you will feel that you've learned something. Even as judges, we were learning everything, something every day, every day. So what is important is that keep that student in you alive, learning, more learning, just that hunger for learning should continue. And there is no shortcut to success. You have to work hard, so don't look for shortcuts. Work hard, success will come. Sometimes to some people it comes.
Guidance with us, sir, please.
I thought he.
Of this second national Moot competition organized at Shri Guru Granth Sahib University, for inviting and giving me the honor and privilege of being present here. Time, that is 30 years back when we did a law, or even earlier, 35 years, we just had one compulsory Moot paper. It was a formal paper to be cleared. But today, Moot courts have become an integral part of legal education. I think primarily you must be facing hundreds of Moot competitions in the country where you have the opportunity to go and observe people from different regions, different areas, and interact with them and learn. Because legal learning, bookish learning is only one aspect. What is important is how you put it into practice. This is where the moots come in. You learn how to prepare a brief, how to make research, then how to present your case. The moot propositions generally which are prepared, they are not simple propositions, they leave a lot of gaps. That is where your innovation, your skills, your imagination comes into play. And when you are faced with questions from the panel, you never anticipate those questions. You have to think on your feet, just as ma'am said. I mean, law is all about thinking on your feet. There was famously what we used to hear was, one is a lawyer goes, he says, I will address in this particular fashion. He comes prepared that this is how I will address. Then the second is how he actually addresses the court and finishes the case. The third is when he goes home and says, no, I should have addressed in this fashion. So it is all a learning. Every time you face new problems, and what is important is that you have to research your question well. You should think out when you have a proposition, you have a problem. You should do a lot of thinking. These are the possibilities, these are pros and cons. You should know what your opponent will argue. All the material against you, that is, you should marshal that material, not only in your favor. And secondly, what happens these days, what we have been seeing is, sorry, it's a digital age. People rely on their gadgets, prepare, tuck, you get 10 judgments and you cite those judgments. But you don't read the judgments. The judgment has to be read in entirety. Whichever area of law you choose, at least 10, 15, 20 basic judgments, there are not more than that. You should read every word of it, not once, number of times, and then you are a master in the court. Whatever the court asks, you will know. When we joined the profession, we had senior counsel, they had 15, 20, 30 pet judgments. Even if it were not relevant, they used to cite those judgments, and the judge was not aware of those judgments, he would just sit and listen. So there are small tricks you have to do. You have to pretend that you know more. Never show that you are ignorant. So these days, the legal profession, it has transformed a lot in the last 1 decade. Earlier, there was the service law, civil, criminal law. Now you have number of new avenues where youngsters can focus on. Corporate law, environmental law, cryptocurrency, number of things which you have never heard. Data protection, intellectual property law. These are areas which were never there 20 years back. So, yes, digital theft, so many new branches which have a lot of opportunities to lawyers not to remain confined only to those traditional civil, criminal service. So, I mean, the only thing is, this profession, no doubt, people, first-timers or people from relatively backward areas, they do face some difficulties vis-a-vis people who are established in the profession, whose parents or they have other benefits. But ultimately, this profession still remains a very, very democratic profession. Any pushing person, hard-working person, there is scope. There is scope for everybody. One should never, but it requires patience. One should never get discouraged. There are no shortcuts. It's only hard work and time. That is all. As far as the winners and the participants, I say winners certainly deserve our applaud, but every participating team is a winner. You have come, you have prepared, you have faced such a august panel which must have posed very, very penetrating questions. You have passed their test, so you deserve all the congratulations and best wishes for the future. And thank you for inviting us here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your humble words with the students and with us. And now I request Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani ji, just share few words with the students, please, sir.
Respect, Honorable Justice H.S. Sidhu, Honorable Justice Savina, Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dean Ma'am, faculty members. It is an honor sharing dais with such dignitaries. They have told you everything about the experience they have shared. I just want to assure you from my side, like I am a member of the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, and we are trying to improve on legal education, and we will give full support to the university and other. We are making many programs for the young students so that such functions happen on a regular intervals, and we will designing the system in such a way that this profession would be welcoming to the youngsters in coming times, because challenging times are coming every day. Lot of advocates are enrolling in this profession, and most of them are first generation lawyers. So there is a problem normally they face joining new offices and how to begin the profession. So the Bar Council in future will be designing such programs so that you will get good experience before coming to the court, during your studies only. And in the end, I really want to thank all the faculty members to inviting me for such a competition. Very aggressively, both the teams did their part and they did very well. And I'm so impressed that the legal system is going to be in safe hands. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for thinking so much for our young leaders, advocates of our nation. And now I request our Vice Chancellor, sir, who has always been a guiding force behind our university's growth, to please address the students. Over to you, sir.
Chief guest of the valedictory function of this 3 days moot court competition, Mr. Justice Harinder Singh Sidhu. Guest of honor, Miss Justice Savina, former acting Chief Justice, Himachal Pradesh High Court. Head University School of Law, Dr. Amita Kaushal. advocates from the High Court, Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, Advocate Harbinder Singh Maan, convener of this moot court competition, Dr. Navneet Kaur, members of the jury, dear faculty members and students, and dear participants. A very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Justice Harinder Singh Sidhu, former Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and guest of honor, Justice Savina, former Acting Chief Justice of High Court, former Deputy Advocate General, Advocate Harpreet Singh Multani, Advocate Harvinder Singh Maan, other dignitaries sitting in front of the dais, and all the participants. Basically, this moot court competition is not only the competition, as Ms. Savina shared her experiences and gave practical tips to how to proceed in the courts. Similarly, Mr. Justice Harinder Singh Sidhu ji has given you practical tips that how you are to proceed with the cases in the courts. So, the simulator courtrooms have provided you a unique opportunity where theory met practice, where the students stepped into the shoes of advocates, sharpened their search skills, refined their articulation, and acquired the confidence required to present arguments before a court of law. Such experiences are invaluable in shaping the legal minds of tomorrow and help in internalizing the eternal values of justice, fairness, and rule of law. In an era where the legal landscape is rapidly evolving, as Mr. Justice Sidhu has shared, with emerging challenges in technology, environment, human rights, constitutional interpretation, and international relations, this competition has assumed even greater significance. It provided a platform to the young lawyers to engage with the contemporary legal issues, test established principles against new realities, and develop the intellectual agility that the legal profession demands. Mooting provided you with an unparalleled opportunity to sharpen your skills in legal research, critical analysis, persuasive writing, and oral argumentation. This competition was not merely about winning or losing, it was about learning, growing, and embracing the discipline that the legal profession demands. I congratulate the members of the organizing committee and student volunteers for their tireless efforts in conceptualizing and seamless execution of the competition. Your dedication to nurturing advocacy skills reflects the highest ideals of legal education. The participants have engaged deeply with the legal issues, approached every round with integrity, and upheld the decorum that defines the novelty of this profession. I would like to acknowledge the role of our distinguished panel of judges, whose expertise and guidance has undoubtedly enriched the competition. Your role in nurturing and evaluating these young minds is invaluable. Let us all be reminded of the words of great jurist and former Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah, whose legacy continues to inspire moot court competitions across the country. The law is a noble profession only when it is practiced with honesty, courage, and a commitment to justice. I congratulate all the participants, especially the winners, for their outstanding performance. May you continue to strive for excellence and contribute meaningfully to the legal fraternity and society at large. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So I'm thankful to all the dignitaries for gracing this occasion with their esteemed presence and the inspiring words. So all of your blessings will guide our students for the years to come. So thank you for taking time from your busy schedule and for sharing your valuable insights and for joining this valedictory ceremony. So before we proceed further, I request our Vice Chancellor Sir and Head and Dean Professor Dr. Amita Kaushal ma'am to please felicitate our guests. Please ma'am, please sir. I request Advocate Gurtej Singh, so please join us for felicitation on the stage. Advocate Akashdeep Singh, Advocate Sarabjit Singh, please join us. Now I would like to hand over the stage to Dr. Moolin Kaur to announce the results. This is the time the students are waiting eagerly to know the results.
Good afternoon to all. Moot court competition. I feel grateful to announce the results. We start with the Best Researcher Award. It goes to Sneha Gupta, UILS, Punjab University, Regional Campus, Ludhiana. Next is Best Memorial. It goes to the team of Amity University, Miss Vanshika Goyal, Ekta Malhotra, Apurva Singh, Amity University. Next we have Best Speaker. It goes to Himanshu Goel, UILS, that is University Institute of Legal Studies, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Himanshu Goel. Please give her a huge round of applause. Next is Best Memorial. Vanshika Goel, Ekta Malhotra and Apurva Singh.
Check once. Gurleen, check once. सही है ना?
Please give them a huge round of applause. Next we have Best Speaker, Himanshu Goel, University Institute of Legal Studies, Punjab University, Chandigarh. We need to appreciate, please don't stop, give them a huge round of applause. Winners. As our fingers stand crossed, it is time to reveal the winner of our national moot court competition. Any guesses? It is USOL 14, University Institute of Legal Studies, Punjab University, Chandigarh. The clapping should not stop, guys.
Participation naale.
Please give them a huge round of applause. It was a tiring effort for 3 days. Congratulations, team. You deserved it. Now I would request our runner-up team to come to the stage. That is USOL 10, Dilnaz, Vatsala and Yuvika. Congratulations, team. The winner team is UILS, Punjab University, Chandigarh, and the runner-up is Dehradun Law College. Now I would proceed further to facilitate our convener, without whose efforts this competition would not have become a grand success. Dr. Navneet Kaur, please give her a huge round of applause. Next in line are our organizing team, Dr. Kavaljeet, Miss Mankirat, Miss Gurleen. It was their meticulous planning which helped us to bring this day and convert this day into a grand success. Please give them a huge round of applause. Dr. Kavaljeet. Miss Mankirat. Please guys, we need to appreciate them for their tireless efforts. Next is Miss Gurleen. Next, it's time to facilitate our respected faculty members. Miss Devjot Sandhu. Next we have Mrs. Rajan, Miss Sabia, please give her a huge round of applause. She was part of our hospitality committee. Next is Miss Sabia. She was part of our accommodation committee. Next is Miss Noor Kamal. She was part of our result committee. Next is Miss Dalveer, Miss Trisha, Miss Ashveer, these all members helped us to bring this event to success. तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. Please give her a huge round of applause. Next in line is our allied faculty. Without their efforts, I don't think so this event would have come to success. Dr. Gurpit Singh, Dr. Deepak Kumar, Mr. Parmeshwar Singh, Mr. Sanjay Khan and Mr. Gurvinder Singh. Sir, please, I would request you to come up to the stage. So, Dr. Gurpit Singh, let's join our hands for the appreciation of Dr. Gurpit Singh. Next is Dr. Deepak Kumar. Mr. Parmeshwar Singh. Please give them a huge round of applause. Mr. Sanjay Khan. Please give them a huge round of applause. Mr. Gurvinder Singh. I would again request our dignitaries to facilitate Ms. Divjot. She was earlier not present. Ms. Divjot.
Next is Dr. Mohaleen Kaur.
So now I request everyone to please stand for the national anthem and to close this inaugural valedictory ceremony. Sorry.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।